Okay, so here's a little, I don't know, food for thought maybe. That silver thing sitting there is an inner rocker panel out of a full Dynacorn floor. Dynacorn makes nice stuff. The whole floor came with the car, but I didn't feel comfortable trying to take the whole bottom out of the car where it's a convertible. So I figured I'd just take the pieces off I need. I do not need the whole floor anyway, as far as the transition pan and all that kind of thing. So I figured I'd just pick it apart. Well, so I pick it apart, and I get looking when I take this apart, and I notice there's a couple welds that aren't holding. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this whole thing, all the way up, not one of those welds is held. Not one. All the way along the bottom. And it's that way all the way down. So that just kind of goes to show you, even though you buy an expensive, nice, I mean, that piece is almost $4,000. I didn't pay that because, like I say, it came with the car, but still, you buy that big, nice piece like that, and half your welds aren't there. You can see there where it's moving. Up in here is fine. So anyway, I got to drill this whole thing out and re-put it back together. But I guess I'm saying sometimes you got to check your parts. Anyway, just thought I'd say something about that. So I noticed the whole thing was misaligned. I drilled out all the holes, all the old spot welds, and it's all mocked up. I figure if I can get the bottom in, then I'll work on getting this top right. You can see here it's a little bit high. And if I have to drill out the rest all the way up here, that's fine. But that's got to be fixed before it goes in. So here we go. Okay, it's all welded back together. Got to grind the welds down. Through the amazing feat of video, voila, it's done. Ready to put in. Here's my first test fit. It's not clamped, it's just sitting there. One part I have a little tight. The gap on the rocker is good all the way down from the top there. You can see there's a little bit of a gap. This reinforcement pan is a little bit tight right there, so I'm gonna have to adjust that somehow, but for the most part fits pretty good. Like I say, it's not clamped, and I gotta straighten some things and all that anyway. So I'm going to take it back out and play around with adjusting some stuff. Test fit number 2. I like how this is fitting. So I think I'm going to leave it there. I'm also test fitting the front part of the torque box. That's it right there. About the 2-piece torque boxes, I had a set of 1-piece. They suck, they don't fit. You have to take them apart anyway. I did take them apart, they still don't fit. So far these fit up good. I used one over here, and it pretty well I mean, it fit up great. So we'll walk around the other side. Show you from over there, underneath and such. And there's that torque box. Front view. And there's underneath. I like how that fits a lot better than what was in there before, because it had been replaced before. And you can see everything fits up nice there. Looking good. And then there's a little better view of the torque box from this angle here. Just right there. And there's the back part of the torque box. They just fit better. Got a little gap there. I'll figure that out. But yeah, it just falls right into place. Much nicer. They're sure making stuff better, I'll say that. I think that's all I'm going to do for this video. I appreciate you watching. Thanks all of everybody who's subscribed. I appreciate it. If you do like the content, go ahead and subscribe and comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong or right or whatever. I'm easy. Thanks for watching.